Hi, it's Leah at buttercreamparties.com. Today I want to show you how to decorate these fun red, white, and blue cookies for the 4th of July. I specifically want to show you this cool trick with setting up a piping bag to make our red and white stripes to mimic the American flag. So first, what I'm doing right here is just setting up a piping bag with a Wilton tip number 5. I like using a tip number 5 if I'm filling in a large area with one color, but it's also perfect for beginners. This is because the hole is a bit larger than like a tip 3 or a 4, so you'll have to do less overall line work. Okay, so you can see here that I have a white bag of frosting and a red bag of frosting, each of them without any tips. So all I've done is fill each bag with the frosting and then cut the bag open at the end. What we're going to want to do is fill half of our prepared bag, so the one with the tip number 5 in it, with white frosting and the other half of the bag with the red frosting. You'll want to try to get the frosting as far down into the bag as you can. And then it's also okay if the amounts aren't perfectly even, just try to get it close. So also as a note, you'll want to fill your bag up with more frosting than this, but I was just showing you how to do this one cookie, so I didn't put that much into it. Once you have both of the colors in your bag, what you're going to want to do is squeeze out some of the frosting so that both of the colors are showing, because typically just one of the colors got down into the tips since it's such a small area. So I just squeezed some out onto like a paper towel. So the first step is to just use the blue frosting. So this is just blue in an icing bag. It has a Wilton tip number 5 in it. I like to use the same size tip across the whole cookie if it's all going to be one layer. So this doesn't have anything going over any of the other layers. It's all kind of just background work. Okay, so this is the really cool part that I wanted to show you guys. So take the red and white bag of frosting and first just outline the edge of the heart. It doesn't really matter how you hold the bag right here, but I kind of positioned it so that there'd be more red than white. Okay, so for our stripes, what you want to do is hold the icing bag so that you can see both the red and the white frosting, kind of like if you were looking over the top of it. The idea is that when you move the bag of frosting to the left, one color shows, and when you move it back to the right, the other color shows. So you're just going to repeat your left and right line work, and the stripes will seem to magically appear. And that's it. So make sure to subscribe for more buttercream sugar cookie tutorials and to visit the blog buttercreamparties.com for over 150 free tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!